The market's current situation and potential future price objectives for XRP are also covered in the video. The market has been somewhat calm for the last 3 weeks due to the beginning of December, but this only serves to emphasize how hot it has been since November. The XRP chart has increased by nearly 250% in the past year if we look at it over a 1-year period, and 67% in the month prior. The recent changes in the market and in the price of Bitcoin shouldn't deter you. While the most significant movements of the cycle started around the end of December 2020, the market is currently acting as if nothing is happening as it waits for anything to come. The most significant alterations in the cycle are anticipated to start towards the end of the month. Investors therefore have 3 to 6 months to maximize the value of their old coins. That's the reality. The movie emphasizes that the bullishness in space is more important than the unconcerned macro component of the market. A lower time frame trade is indicated by the chopping that is apparent on the lower time frames. When using the macro charts, you should avoid the lower periods. The video examines the favorable sentiment that is currently surrounding XRP and looks into potential causes for this trend. First of all, it is highly likely that Gary Gensler's complaint against the SEC will be dismissed. The simultaneous formal release of RLUSD to international markets in the first quarter of 2025 will be the first step towards a more optimistic market. Finally, the video emphasizes how bullish XRP is at the moment and how significant changes in the market could occur. The market is currently in a holding position, and the video suggests that a number of older currencies may reach their top earlier than anticipated. The importance of being well informed about the industry's current situation as well as the possibility of significant changes in the future is emphasized in the film's conclusion. The realization of institutional decentralization and tokenization is greatly accelerated by the XRP ledger. Bitcoin is not currently very concerned with the shown chart, despite the fact that much work has to be done. Bitcoin can't do anything else until it recovers $100,000. It is necessary to recover this important psychological threshold. Over $1 million, we can reach $1,000, $0 million, and $7,000. Since we will probably be making some cuts soon, we should keep a careful eye on the midline if we reach that milestone. Large downward wicks typically begin to appear around this period, which could trigger a liquidation cascade and send prices plummeting below $90,000 if we are unable to maintain these lows from November 26th to the 26th. Things could soon get out of hand. The most important aspect of Bitcoin is its bullish structure, which is only a minor setback in the grand scheme of things. Bitcoin's daily chart indicates that the cryptocurrency is now in an abnormal state. But given the lower highs and lows we can see, there's a potential the charts might quickly turn bullish once more. Although Bitcoin's dominance played a part in its recent slump, it might also be the reason for more drops on this scale. If this results in a major decline in the alternative cryptocurrency market, people can get angry and afraid. The XRP ledger is a major facilitator of institutional decentralization and tokenization, according to Bitstamp, the XRP ledger, and Ripple's steadfast support of Trump and his future administration. One needs to stay vigilant and focused in order to properly negotiate the difficulties presented by Bitcoin's dominance. While the market is ever-changing, although I hope nothing like this ever occurs, many recent policymakers have examined the potential for a Bitcoin explosion, which is to be expected. The chart's dramatic swings and extreme lows haven't generated much excitement in the alternative cryptocurrency market. However, it is anticipated that the market will continue to be beaten to negative territory and that Bitcoin's dominance will decrease once more. The short-term outlook for traditional currencies is bleak, in contrast to Bitcoin's optimistic outlook. If Bitcoin can successfully break through the first 3 levels, it is thought to be able to regain its all-time high of 618 coins. As a local high, we anticipate that Bitcoin's dominance will return to its previous level. The market is probably at a low level to drop below 54% after this, so we might see some lows. A break to the upside, on the other hand, is a positive sign that gives older currencies more time to rise. The situation will resemble what occurred at the end of November if Bitcoin can recover $100,000 and have another significant surge while its dominance is declining, with XRP trading at about $2.90 on November 21st. The market is currently concentrating on preserving its positive structure. Since December 10th, the market has been exhibiting a pattern of lower highs and higher lows. It is critical to return XRP to a bullish structure with lower lows back to $2 and higher lows at the 4-hour mark. There is a Considerable likelihood that XRP will push over $2.40 to set a higher high on the lower time frames if Bitcoin's dominance continues to decline from its current level. Chop City is currently taking place in the market, and it can be quite annoying. People should try to be more patient until the end of the year, which often occurs in mid-January. This is because Christmas has arrived, providing them with an opportunity to unwind, spend time with loved ones, and perhaps return to the market with a new perspective. The XRP Bitcoin pair forms a bull flag after cutting sideways after hitting resistance during the initial upward advance. A significant breakout is anticipated now that the market has overcome the higher resistance levels on the chart. Lastly, the Bitcoin market has been boring because of the chart's massive lows and unpredictable swings. It is anticipated that the market will continue to decline, with traditional currencies continuing to grow and Bitcoin perhaps overtaking all other cryptocurrencies. One coin, XRP Bitcoin, is the focus of the video's examination of the cryptocurrency market's recovery. In the event of a large upsurge, the bull flag pattern would be visible. However, the longer the consolidation period has lasted, the more likely it is that the price will attempt to break out to new highs. In addition to the Bitcoin pair, the Ethereum pair also exhibits this pattern. It is anticipated that XRP will form a cup and handle pattern on this chart, which will probably hold for a while. When these price targets are exceeded, the cryptocurrency's present bullish structure will continue to hold promise for XRP. It is important since it will officially announce the breaking of the new all-time high. Given the volume of events surrounding the Bitcoin industry, it is anticipated that the general structure of cryptocurrencies will be rather positive through 2025. According to a recent post from a reputable cryptocurrency, the majority of Bitcoin community members lack sufficient enthusiasm regarding XRP. In the upcoming months, this might surprise a lot of people. The movie also emphasizes the SEC lawsuits pending resolution and the current plethora of catalysts around XRP. The structure of the U.S. cryptocurrency market is also encouraging, and some of the most significant changes on these charts are anticipated in 2025. Chart of quarterly XRP prices based on a 3-month chart, Bitcoin appears to be in a strong position. This is the first time since April 2019 that the 3-month candlestick has been above the Binger band's base. Furthermore, the bands are more limited than they have ever been in the history of XRP Bitcoin. Over the last 3 months, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, has surpassed the RSI-based moving average. A move above or towards 50 indicates the emergence of strength. Some of the most significant changes occurred while the RSI stayed above 50. Over the past 3 months, the Pfizer transform has been bullish, and this bullish divergence has been around for a while. The 3-month moving average divergence is showing signs of waning bearish momentum, which will soon turn positive for the first time on the chart. The market has a long way to go before it becomes overbought, even though the 3-month stochastic is showing an all-time high for a percentage of thousands. The movie also discusses Bitcoin market tensions like to those in 2017 and 2018. Since XRP takes longer to consolidate, the increase must be greater. Following the consolidation, XRP can reach a new all-time high of $15 to $20. Nonetheless, the video advises beginning to make money after the record high is surpassed, with the first significant objective dropping between $5 and $7.